So they added a Latin ending or a Greek ending. So if you read that name, hey, he's a scholar. He knows Greek and he knows Latin. Not just simple. But now we have names like this one here, and you hear the name Saracen. In America and Canada, you have a surname, you know exactly. That's a Polish name, it's a Russian name, that's a Scandinavian name, that's a German name. We can trace names to, he's from Basel, he's from Bern, he's from Lucerne, he's from a little town out. Saracen, only Basel. There's nowhere else the Saracen family but in Basel. They have a private amongst others. Same here, then you hear the name Iselin, then you hear the name Sterling, and here you have all this Latin thing. And something you might find unusual